So, hello everyone. I'm coming again. So, today I'm going to talk about how to use ChatGPT to read everything. So, a lot of times when we see something that we can't understand, we just give up. And the reason behind that is very simple. We can't understand it. So, I get it actually. So, before ChatGPT has come, I also don't know what to do with things that I don't understand. But for now, I have decided ChatGPT really helps. So, in what ways? How? So, a few days ago, I went to IEEE and I found a research paper there about electronics. For example, signals, communication. Anyway, I'm studying electrical and electronics engineering, so that's why. And I must tell you that in the very beginning, of course, I didn't know what those research paper was talking about. I didn't know. But I found out that I can just type the words that I don't understand, and I can put that into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to explain those words to me. And although this process is going to be very slow, but you're going to realize that you have gained a lot knowledge just in a few hours. And ChatGPT is really helpful in terms of helping you to understand some difficult concepts. You can even ask it to explain the words in a very easy manner. For example, before I've asked ChatGPT to explain to me what is a field effect transistor, as if I'm a 3-year-old. Of course I'm not, but that is really helpful. It makes me understand concepts. Those concepts in electronics, in electrical, very, very well. And I have to tell you that, start in 5 days, I'm going to have my exam on microprocessors. And I have to tell you, that's going to be a hard one. But I've already finished one past paper, and I finished that past paper with the help of ChatGPT. So basically, you walk through past papers and you need to, and of course, you have to try them first. And if you can't do a question, if you can't do a problem, you can just ask ChatGPT, because it can code for you. It can actually code for you. So that's it. This is the video, and goodbye.